Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clint with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to replace destroyed carpet. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using some carpet glue, a razor blade. You also need something square. I'm going to go ahead and use a 1x4 that I've cut nice and square. You will also need a scrap piece of carpet. First thing we want to do is go ahead and make sure the grains of our carpet are running the same direction and kind of memorize that. So that way after you cut the piece, you're not going to accidentally do a quarter turn on it and make your grains run wrong. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our block, and I've gone ahead, I've put top on there so that way I know that's facing away from me, that's the top of the piece. So I take and I covered the burn area up, and then I will firmly press down, take my razor blade and cut out that piece. After we have our old piece out, you can go ahead and discard that. Go ahead, take your piece of wood, place it on your scrap piece of carpet, and cut a piece out. After you have your piece cut out, go ahead, make sure that it fits nicely. Now, we will take our glue and put it around the inside of our piece. Now we'll take our piece of carpet, put one side in first, fold it in half, put the other side in, set it into place. Then we'll kind of fuse the fibers together by rubbing them back and forth. If you have a little bit of glue come out, it's okay. What's nice about the carpet glue is it does dry clear. So after that, you can set something heavy on there, a brick or some books, to make sure that stays flat. But other than that, your job's done. I'm Joshua Clint with Lighty Contractors. Hope this video has been a help to you. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.